If you're thinking about buying TikTok, there are a few things you need to know before making a decision. It's one of the fastest growing social media platforms globally, but it's not all about viral dances and lip syncs. There's much more beneath the surface, and if you're serious about integrating it into your business or personal brand, you'll want to keep watching. I'll break down 7 key things that will help you decide if TikTok is the right fit for your needs and why it's a great choice for both businesses and individuals alike. Let's start with the first thing you should know. TikTok Inc. is more than just a social media platform, it's a massive marketing tool. While platforms like Instagram and Facebook have dominated for years, TikTok's algorithm is incredibly effective at promoting content. What sets it apart from competitors is how it allows businesses and creators to reach a highly engaged audience, often without the need for paid ads. TikTok's For You page can push your content to thousands, even millions, of potential customers or followers based on your interaction and engagement with the app. This means you don't have to be an influencer or have a huge following to make an impact. Next thing, TikTok is all about engagement. This is something that sets it apart from other platforms. With Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, engagement tends to stay within your established followers. TikTok, on the other hand, is designed to promote new content to new people. This organic reach is something that businesses can leverage more effectively than ever before. Whether you're a small business or a large brand, TikTok Inc. offers unparalleled potential for reaching the right audience. But what about content creation? Let's talk about that. The third thing you need to know is the content creation process. TikTok makes it incredibly easy to create videos with its user-friendly interface and built-in editing tools. Whether you're creating a quick promotional clip or a viral marketing campaign, the platform allows for smooth transitions, trendy effects, and seamless uploads. Plus, its ability to collaborate with influencers and integrate user-generated content into your marketing strategies is a huge advantage over platforms like YouTube or Facebook. You don't need fancy equipment or a professional studio, just your phone and a bit of creativity. The fourth thing, you need to understand the analytics TikTok Inc. offers. This is crucial if you're planning to use the platform for business. The app gives users access to deep insights into how their content is performing. You can see everything from your engagement rate to detailed demographic information about your audience. This data is invaluable when planning future content and optimizing your marketing strategy. It's a huge step up compared to what competitors like Instagram provide, offering much more granular control over content strategy. Now, let's talk about monetization, the fifth thing you should know. TikTok Inc. has recently rolled out more features to help creators and businesses make money. From brand partnerships to in-app purchases and even live streaming, there are many opportunities to monetize your presence on the platform. Compared to other platforms like YouTube or Instagram, TikTok's approach to monetization is still evolving, but it's already offering exciting new ways for businesses to profit from their content. The sixth thing is something that might surprise you. TikTok Inc. isn't just for the younger crowd anymore. While the platform initially attracted a younger audience, there's been a noticeable shift in demographics. Now people of all ages, including business owners and professionals, are jumping onto the platform. The app's algorithm allows for niche targeting, which means you can create content that resonates with specific age groups, interests, or locations, making it an incredibly versatile platform for a wide range of markets. Finally, TikTok is one of the most rapidly evolving platforms in terms of new features and updates. Unlike Facebook or Instagram, which can sometimes feel stagnant, TikTok is constantly experimenting with new tools and features that improve user experience and engagement. This includes live shopping features, better video editing options, and enhanced AR effects. These rapid updates show that TikTok Inc. is dedicated to staying ahead of the curve, making it an exciting platform for long-term use. So if you're seriously considering TikTok Inc. for your business or personal brand, you can't afford to overlook these key factors. If you want to try out TikTok for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description to get the best free trial offer and some exclusive benefits. TikTok Inc. isn't just a trend, it's shaping the future of digital marketing.